2 trillion. While I support that budget because there is no other solution in the short run, it is important to know. Honorable Kasaja talked about it, but it should be highlighted. To know that shilling 17 trillion of that budget is to pay debts. He talked about it towards the end of his speech. He talked about it, but it should be highlighted. The 52 trillion you are talking about, 17 trillion of it is to pay debts. Amabanja. However, we say in our language here, ekitata muhima, tekimala konte. When a cattle keeper still has life, he will get new cows, even if the old ones died. We shall learn from the mistakes of the past and perform better. Now, what I want the NRM cadres to understand is that in order to do the industrialization I talked about, we don't have to use government money. The government money has already been used on the basics, infrastructure, security, and so on. The strategy is to handle well the private sector. Private sector can help us industrialize our country, provided we handle them well. I want to thank all the Ugandans who have been praying for me. I've been watching you, praying for me at the National Chairman's office, Babaranda and Hadija Muzukuru, praying in All Saints Church, praying and signing the board here near the gate, and all the others who have been wishing me good luck. I appreciate really. It's good to know that I am not as bad as some people try to make me, and that there are Ugandans who appreciate.
Masu kugwanga, Honorable Charles Rumshana wali, Honorable Nkwaniriza.
Katonda wakisa.
Nyina mbaka wa Maogola South wa NUP Shadow Minister for ICT.